everybody, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of easy, quick, beautiful DIYs in modern farmhouse style for this fall season in different colors. It's not the warm colors of the fall, but it has this modern, neutral colors of fall, and they together put together, they look beautiful as a vignette. They're easy and very beautiful in their own way. The neutral vibes are so nice that they can be kept in your home for decor for a longer period of time. My today's DIY is part of the challenge that is being hosted by Sandra from the Showen's Nest and is being co-hosted by Catherine from the channel A Perfect Place to Start. So I'll put links to both these channels in the description box of my video and also put link to the playlist where you get more ideas for modern color theme DIYs for the fall. And if you're new here, welcome. Look around in my channel. I love doing lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, everything related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit that bell icon next to it and choose a ringing bell icon so that you're notified each time I post a video. In my first DIY, I am going to make small fabric pumpkins. I am using socks, needle and thread, scissors, cotton and little pieces of skewer or bamboo sticks. One can use any kind of jersey material, knit or stretchable fabric for this project, say a t-shirt or a leggings. I just cut out a cylindrical piece out of this. Now, depending on how big you want your pumpkin, you have to take that big a cylindrical piece. Next, I turned the wrong side out and stitched the raw edge with needle and thread with simple run stitch, bunched them together and tied a knot. Next, I turned the right side out. It now looks like a beanie cap or a sack. Next, I filled it with some cotton or polyfill. Once it was well stuffed, I stitched all along the open edge with run stitch and bunched it close and tied the knot again. Secured it. Now it's like a ball. I just pressed it flat a bit. Next, taking a long piece of thread, I pushed the needle out through the center and encircled one side tightly and then again went in through the center. And now, once I came out, I encircled the opposite side and went back again through the center till I finished 6 sides, and I had out pouchings like that of pumpkin and tied a knot in the center. Now it resembles like a pumpkin without a stalk. For the stalk, I took a small skewer or bamboo stick and added some glue on one end and just poked it in the center of the pumpkin to make the stalk. I liked it so much that I also made another one in dark gray color. For the next DIY, I decided to make a sign. Updating any kind of decor is so easy using a sign. I used an A4 size paper and wrote down the words autumn blessings using some acrylic color and a brush. Once the writing was over, next step was simple. I just took my old frame, which is 8 by 10 inches sized, and I just replaced the existing sign in it with this new sign. And I have a brand new sign in very modern vibes in neutral colors. For the last DIY, I just took this old pillar candle and decided to revamp it. So I took a grey paper and I just eyeballed how much big a size that I can work on with and just drew an autumn leaf over it using a black pen. I just finished the leaf with veins in it with just simple details in it, nothing great, and then cut it out with a pair of fine, sharp scissors. More the grooves in the leaf, the more detailed will it look. Then the next step was even easier. I just placed it over my pillar candle somewhere near the top and just secured it using a jute string. And it looks so nice. Here is the little decor that I have created with my today's DIYs. I think modern decor is about being very subtle, no fuss, clear lines, neutral colors, simple and beautiful. The only addition here is the pillar candle stand, which is again a DIY, and the picture frame where I placed my DIY. These are both high-end tubes from my DIY and decor playlist. And over my pillar candle stand is this beautiful mug with golden inscriptions on it and golden patterns on it, dragons and others, with a golden lid to keep the tea warm. This is from Sikkim, a northeastern state in India. I love the sign, simple and beautiful, autumn blessings. The pillar candle has got a new look, a new level. Just the details on the leaf with a color pen and a jute string over it has just enhanced its look. And the pumpkins in this dull green and grey color look so modern and beautiful at the same time. I think I love how I created and what I created. Do let me know what you think about my today's DIY. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. I thank you all so much for your time and support, and I'll see you soon in my next DIY. Until then, stay positive, be creative, and be happy.